How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your GameSir G7 SE to your PS4 and PS5. So now to break the news to you, basically GameSir G7 SE is officially licensed by Xbox and PC. So if you're trying to connect it natively onto your PS4 and PS5, unfortunately it's just not going to work. Now to go ahead and use your controller onto your PS5 or PS4, we need to get a third-party hardware, and that's going to be something like the Brook Wingman XE. So with this one, it's going to be simple right off the get-go. You can plug the adapter onto your PlayStation plug right here, and on the other end of the plug, you can then go ahead and plug the USB of your controller. So it's going to be that simple. You could just go ahead and plug this adapter onto your PS4 and PS5, and then use the cable provided with the controller in order to plug the USB right here onto the adapter itself. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.